Welcome back. Now that you understand cloud service models, let's understand how Google Cloud itself is structured. Whenever you create resources in GCP, they are organized in a hierarchy. Understanding this hierarchy is critical. Why organization matters? Imagine a company with 10 teams, 50 applications, hundreds of servers. Without proper structure, managing everything becomes difficult. That's why GCP uses a resource hierarchy. Google Cloud Resource Hierarchy. The hierarchy looks like organization, folders, projects, resources, organization, the topmost level, usually created through Google Workspace. Example, ABC Technologies Private Limited. This represents the entire company. Folders. Folders help group resources. Examples, Finance Department, Engineering Department, Marketing Department. Folders are optional. Projects. Projects are the most important concept in GCP. Everything in GCP belongs to a project. Examples, Production Project, Development Project, Testing Project. Projects provide billing control, security boundaries, resource isolation, resources. Resources are actual services such as virtual machines, storage buckets, databases, Kubernetes clusters. Resources always live inside a project. Regions and zones. Google operates data centers worldwide. Region, a geographical location. Examples, a central one, Asia South one, Europe West one. Zone, a specific data center inside a region. Examples, Asia South 1, Asia South 1B, Asia South 1C. Choosing the right region. Always select regions based on user location, compliance requirements, latency requirements. If your users are in India, Asia South 1 Mumbai is usually preferred. Conclusion. Today we learned organization, folder, project, resource, region, zone. These concepts are used daily in Google Cloud. Next, we'll create our first project and deploy our very first resource in Google Cloud.